In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust speed and pitch in Murf AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your voiceover slower or faster while keeping it clear and natural. Start by opening your project in Murf Studio. In your timeline or script view, click the text or audio block you want to change. Think of each block as a self-contained sentence or paragraph. Adjusting one block won't automatically affect the others, which is great for fine-tuning pacing where it matters most. With the block selected, look over to the settings panel for that block. You'll find a control labeled Speed. This is the only setting we'll use here. It's a simple slider designed to give you precise control without overwhelming you with technical jargon. Click and drag the speed slider to the left to slow the speech down. This is helpful for dense explanations, product names, or any moment where you want the audience to absorb details. Drag to the right to speed the speech up. That's perfect for transitions, simple instructions, or upbeat sections where energy matters. Murf lets you adjust roughly between -50% and +50% of the default speed. In practice, small moves go a long way. Try changing by 5 to 10%, then listen back to see how it feels. As you adjust, pay attention to clarity. A slower delivery can improve comprehension, but too slow may sound heavy or drawn out. Faster delivery can raise energy and shorten runtime, but too fast can make the message feel rushed. Aim for a pace that matches your visuals and the complexity of your message. If you're narrating a step that appears on screen, align the speed so the words and on-screen actions land together. One important note about pitch. When you adjust speed in Murf, the system is designed to keep voices sounding natural, so the pitch shouldn't suddenly become cartoonishly high or low. That means you can fine-tune timing without compromising the character of the voice. If you notice the tone feeling different at more extreme speeds, simply dial the slider back toward the default for a more balanced sound. Detailed pitch shaping is a separate creative decision, and for today we're focusing on speed to refine timing and rhythm. When you're satisfied with a block, move on to the next one that needs attention and repeat the same process. Consistency matters, so try to keep similar sections set to similar speeds. Preview your changes often, and make incremental adjustments until everything flows smoothly from start to finish.